Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Vyaghrasana. This asana strengthens your thighs, opens your chest and improves flexibility. From Vajrasana position, lean forward and place both the hands on the floor. Inhale and raise your right leg up and exhale and try to touch your knees to the forehead. Repeat it a few times. And relax. Practice the same on the opposite side as well. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel.